think I've changed my mind.
I've just cut a big hole in a brand new van. I still can't get over that.
Welcome back to day 2 of the build here at our secret location. We've already got cracking, we've got our tools out ready, we've got our plan template for the skylight. We're just trying to find some power. We're going to use the power pack today, and we're going to cut out the roof. Fingers crossed it stays dry for us. And we are ready to go. We've also got some really tasty snacks, so you might well see us eating lots of cake and having lots of tea today, because although it's sunny, it is cold. Here's the man himself. He's ready to rock and roll today.
I smell this cow poo.
Yeah, there's lots of cow poo. And Monty is behind us, so I'll just pan the camera and show you. There's Monty rocking out on the chair. You're loving it, aren't you, today, Bubby?
I'm just going to get my old man glasses on.
Get your old man glasses. Yeah, that's it. And we are ready to get going today. So let me show you the massive skylight we've got going in. So this is the Hecky 2 skylight. Like that, with all of the fittings. And it's going to be going in By the way, what do you guys think of the new window? I love it. I walked up to the van this morning and completely forgot that this had been done. And I was like, oh yay, new window. We love it. It's looking so nice. Mel did a fantastic job fitting it the other day. I'm actually going to climb in and show you what it looks like on the inside, because I didn't actually try it the other day. Oh, look at that. Isn't that nice? Yeah, Mel's drill bit is blunt, so he's not very happy about that today. We're going to have to go into the shops and get him a new one, aren't we?
It's alright. Yeah.
Put a sheet up.
Who knows where them sparks are going to go.
Okay, right. Sheet it up then.
Yeah.
Oh, I love the smell of welding in the morning.
Burning metal, actually. It's not actually welding.
Oh, really?
It's the smell of burning metal. Yeah.
Sorry. Look at that juicy bottom. Oh. Spank, spank, spank.
Need a nice laugh.
Is it?
How bobbly the roof is now.
Yeah.
Maybe you should have cut the hole out and then this. There you go, one rib. These end bits, I'm going to get a special rivet, not rivet, spot weld removing tool to cut these out. That's the main thing, that's off. So now we've got to work out
The template.
the template where it's going to go on the roof.
Okay.
Okay. We want it as far back as possible. Because these are glued, usually these ribs are actually spot welded, so when you get on the roof you can actually work out where these are. But because these are glued with this foamy stuff, we're not going to be able to do that. So what we'll have to do is measure from this crease here back.
Yeah.
Because we want the skylight as far back as possible. The further back the skylight is, the more room we're going to have for solar. Yeah, so we'll have to measure from there back to there, plus the thickness of our battens. I'm just looking at how the roof lies to try and figure out if we want the skylight to be back as far as possible. So I'm just trying to visualise where it's going to go. What I've done, I've found the centre line of the template, draw a line down there, found the centre of the roof, and also this is our batten that we're going to be using. So I've marked away from the rib enough room for the batten. The centre line of the roof, I've put an X marked spot. So by using the centre line on the template and holding it up to the roof, up to that's where the cross marks the spot, and using these other 2 lines as well. This isn't dead straight.
Oh.
Just a bit before. I can't look up for too long because my neck hurts.
That's all right.
I'll turn it off.
So Mel has done a fantastic job at making a frame and making sure that the aperture is all ready to go.
Aperture, that's a good word. That's a posh word for a hole. So I'm about to drill a hole in the roof of a brand spanking new van. Something I've not ever done before. Usually the vans I work on are around about 10-15 old bangers. So to say I'm nervous would be an understatement. But Becky seems to have lots of faith in me. So I should have some faith in myself as well. Wish me luck. Right.
Everybody, fingers crossed.
There you go. Right, so that's our centre hole. This hole represents the centre of the roof, and it's also been measured very meticulously from the distance of this rib. That's why I'm drilling from inside up and not from outside down, because it's all about the rib, this rib here, because we want the skylight to be as far back as possible, so you've got much room in front of it as possible for the solar panel.
Which is going to
the
be
next holes I'm going to drill are to make sure it's level. So you've got the centre line, and then this one make sure it's actually straight, that's it. Or maybe I should drill another hole there in the centre. No. Hold the phone. Just had a thought. Maybe it'd be better to drill a hole up there.
A bit dangerous when Mel starts thinking.
Yeah. So we've got that centre line there. That's there, that's there. And then our next centre line there.
There's a Mel on my roof.
Here's Johnny!
Careful.
Oh god, I'm just going to let that hang.
Yeah,
There's
alright.
nothing underneath it, is there?
No, you're alright.
There you go. Don't need your roof, love. It's a fucking big one as well.
I think I've changed my mind.
I've just cut a big hole in a brand new van. I
Yeah.
still can't get over that. Right, let's get it done before it starts to rain.
Yeah. We just had a little bit of a disaster in that the Jackery 1000 suddenly has blown up. We're not sure what's happened there, but Mel went to use this, which as you can see, 650 watts. Used it the other day to cut that window out, not a problem. Today, however, Mel went to pop that same jigsaw into the Jackery, and the Jackery went boop. So we're going to have to investigate and look into why that's done that, but Bluetti has come to the rescue, which Mel has installed
Luckily,
in his van.
So lucky.
So we've literally had an extension lead running from inside Mel's van to here, which we've run up to the ceiling.
This isn't a van, it's a mobile portable power station.
Yeah.
It actually says on my app, Mel's Power Station.
Does it?
Yeah.
Look at that gorgeous view. We've been so lucky with the weather today. So yeah, that's the big old hole. Mel has been super careful this time to paper up all of my side here to stop any metal from sitting, and also all the way around the hole, because I do not want a repeat of what happened to my last van where they didn't take so much care. So we're gonna get the brush and tidy it all up now before we even start putting the new bit in. Okay, let's get cleaning.
Just filling this in because we don't want it to leak. That's it, that'll do. This bit here. So to seal the roof, we're using my favourite mastic sealing strip. I always use this. I've never had a problem with it ever, never had a leak. So I don't use Sikaflex or anything like that. I just like to use this stuff. I've always used it, like I say, and never had a drama. God, look at that sky behind me, isn't it beautiful? I'm just filling up the gap like this. Let's see. Bridging that gap, building it up.
Red sky at night, isn't it?
Shepherd's delight, yeah. Shepherd's morning.
No, it's not shepherd's morning. Shepherd's delight.
Oh. For some reason this one's got like an overlip on the paper, so it's hard to get it on the, down the line. Look how sticky this stuff is. You've got to go around curves like that. Adrian's looking chuffed, he's got some wood.
Don't think he needs. I wonder what he's smiling about.
Oh, that's what I mean. He's got a cheeky grin, I don't know why. Like he's pleased with himself. Why not? Why can't you have it all? This and that. I'm going to go round twice so it's nice and thick, so when we clamp the skylight on it all oozes out and we know it ain't going to leak. So as we go around for the second run, second pass, just going to lay it down, top it like that. Knife's going blunt. About there, I think. That's the join there. Sit nice and even. Sit. Smile. There we go, look how easy this stuff is to use.
Hello everybody! Don't move. Are we excited? Are we ready? Fingers crossed it fits. Mel's done an amazing job. So what he's done is 3 layers of this mastic sealing strip. This is a 32mm width one. And he's layered it and gone round 3 times, starting from this corner. So we're going to get this bad boy in now. We're going to do the hinges, this leading edge.
Is that right? Yeah, so it goes like that.
Yeah. So there's the hinges, yeah?
Okay, don't let it touch the tape.
Okay. I'm letting you lead.
So I'll go down first, and you go down first.
I want you to do...
Oh no, up, just joined up, that's it. Up, now down. That's it, now down. That's it, that way. It's all yours. It fits. I hope so. That's it, let's get the wooden frame. So now we're going to get the wooden frame from underneath, and then it'll squish down, it'll clamp it into place. Brilliant. I'll take you inside and you can see what I mean. Say hello, Becky.
Hello, Becky.
Yeah, that's it, it's in. That's why the wooden frame goes around it, and put the clamps on, and hey presto, away we go. There's the clamps and screws in there. Today, there you go.
So these are the fixtures that Mel is putting up onto the Skylight. They slot up inside the fittings underneath, and then you just put some screws in. But we've just taken ages to try and find the right screw head, because they're star head, aren't they?
Yeah, they're Torx rather than posi drive. They're Torx for some reason.
Yeah.
Anyway, never mind. We've got it now. Let's get it up.
Let's get it out. So that's a wrap. Mel has finished. All he's done is tighten up all of these brackets here and squished the wooden frame to this frame, and then we've got the internal frame to go on, and we'll do that tomorrow, won't we? Because look, it's dark. Mel's done an amazing job today. Super proud of him.
Thank you.
And we'll go back and have some food now, I think. Do you fancy fish and chips? The man wants curry. Maybe we'll see if we can find him some curry then. This has been just a joy to come here to this location and do this work. So again, huge big thank you to Adrian, our lovely subscriber, who has enabled us to come and do this.